give me address this congregation. Mwabo Kenis Nabara Onyato here. Oh, Mwabo, first Labour prefect. Labour prefect, so the cat food of after 2 years to 3 years, then I become the first, second stadium. I was a referee prefect for 2 years. He got those days, he got on the walls, efficiency. I'm the one. Okay, no. I want a kind of reunion. How are they? The more you are, I didn't very good to him. The more you guys see, I'm always born. You make I become 40 years. I want to know I become 40 years. I saw them today. I met them today. Our calculation. The boy not going to be not going to this year. I'm playing. Okay, I'd make a request our host. I could give it. On that taco. Makaya Shime to Renabo. Oh, yes, when you like it, then what the Anishi. By some grace of God, I surrender get my word today for one reason or the other. I hope to go. We're just starting. As in the year, I'm on the second time I can wear a union. I get more information, and more people will be available. Okay, I didn't make I walk. So many people have come and left because of time schedule. And then, one of this period, and the young men here and there. One of the founders, one of the pioneers of the school, his lordship, Bishop of Mbanodasis, Anglican Communion. What we go here for? Some for their appointment. So also other people. I'm going to be brief because we don't want to have pump now because we don't have this evening. I have an emergency that I must be this night against tomorrow morning. Otherwise, I can be with full time to stay with you. At least more people. We got to try to one people. People organize here. You have a stepping stone. I checked the embassy, embassy lapses. They were just. I get no formidable force. The alumni can win a formidable force. I'm gonna be here locals. I can make a shake so that I take one project. Now our old school. I man how to go about it. Because I can now buckle up. I get impact on our water. School I should have I get serious impact. Hona, modernization, innovation. I wish that school is moving well. Because that school, more daily, most of us. We are what we are today because we went that school. We are what we are because we have the privilege to attend the school. So we cannot leave it behind. As we are growing, the school is growing along with us. I can't go to only too much. I collect my own award. I have a brother here. He's also a student. I got never to receive my award. That award is good. Man, for starting, I got drop the organizer of this event. 2 million naira.
Unatego.
KDMC.
Go back.
Today because all him for a very long time could be able to amend. But today, Senna Moranke Chineke, Obiana Mezi. So I'm making all your Naba, all your Rokadia, I'm making all your the committee in charge of the Odia award or whatever we are doing here. The award only I'm too happy. As I said earlier, I didn't make a donation anymore. What I do, project. In 2018, Alom police station. Borobemo to go into police hand over to Oboduku. 2022, Alom primary school, school 2 Oboduku, and quite to Oboduku. 2024, that is some few days ago, Alom big horn like Oboduku. So here now promise you no go a gentleman for some time. But I'm going to take a project there. And by this time next year, all of the project men are Oboduku secretary.